What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Mode. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil life on a 2021 Honda Accord. Like I said, this is a 21 Accord here, but it will be the same on a few different years. So there's two different methods we can use to reset the oil life. One involves using these buttons on the steering wheel and our dash. The other is going to be done through the radio. I'm going to show you both methods, but we'll start with the radio first. You'll need the car running or in the on position. We come over to our radio and press the home button and then go to settings, and we're going to click vehicle. Now if we scroll down and click maintenance info, and then here it's giving you the option just to reset the oil and filter. If you click this button, the select items to reset, you also have the option to reset all these different things. But we're just going to be looking at the oil and filter. So we'll click here. And it's basically just asking us if we do want to reset it. We'll go ahead and hit reset. And that's it. Pretty simple. So now let's take a look at how you can reset it using the buttons on the steering wheel. So what we're going to do is press the home button. That's going to take us to this screen. Then we're going to use this button to scroll down until we have maintenance highlighted. And that same button we were using to scroll down, once we have maintenance highlighted, we'll press that in. And that's going to take us to this screen where it shows the oil life. Ours is already at 100% because we just reset it. But if we wanted to reset it, we would press this button we were scrolling with in again. Now it brings us to this screen, and as you scroll down, it's asking you what you want to reset. This is the same thing we saw on the radio, except this doesn't really give a detailed description of what each item is. So as all items do, item A only, which is just the oil, and then the rest of the items are just going to be numbered. But to reset the oil, we're going to do item A, and then press this in. And the reset's complete, even though the percentage didn't change because we're already at 100%. But those are the two methods. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.